Animal homes. Squirrels live in dray. A place where birds are kept is called an aviary. A place where bees are kept is called an apiary. A fox lives in a lair. Snails live in their shells. Rabbits live in burrows. A beaver lives in a lodge. Animal sounds. Elephants make a trumpet sound. Lions make a roar sound. Owls make a hoot sound. Monkeys make a chatter sound. Snakes make a hiss sound. Hyenas make a laugh sound. Materials from animals. We get many things from animals like silk, wool, leather, etc. Sometimes people are very cruel to animals and treat them harshly when taking things from them. We should be kind to animals. The things that we get from the animals. Paint brushes are used for painting and are made from the hair of certain animals. Pearls, we get them from oysters. They are used in jewelry. Honey, made by bees from the nectar of flowers. It is a very tasty food. Cocoon silk is made from the thread with which the silkworm spins. Angora rabbits give us soft wool. World of birds. There are different kinds of birds around us. Birds having wings, feathers, feet, a beak, and a tail. They make nests to live in. Birds talk with each other by making sounds. Birds. Parrot, crow, pigeon, peacock, duck, hen, woodpecker, eagle. Insect world. Insects have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. Insects like flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Insect bites can be dangerous. Insects. Bat is a flying animal that eats insects. Termite is a white insect and is an ant's enemy. Insects have 6 legs. Ladybug is a red insect with black spots. Dragonfly is a long flying insect. Bee is an insect that makes honey. Ant is an insect that lives in a colony. Mosquito is an insect that drinks blood. Flea is an insect that makes a dog itchy. Firefly is an insect that is bright at night. Facts about animals. A cygnet is a young swan. The stomach of a camel has about 600 small compartments, each capable of holding water. All polar bears are left-handed. Grasshoppers have ears in their knees. The most dangerous animal in the world is the common housefly. It spreads more diseases than any other animal. The blue whale is the biggest animal on the earth. It also produces the loudest sound. The fastest animal on land is the cheetah. A snail can sleep for about 3 years without waking up. The first animals on the earth were invertebrates, animals without backbones. Plants around us. Plants are of many types. They vary in shape, size, and the color. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers are different types of plants. Plants gave us many things. Some of the common Indian trees. Banyan is the national tree of India. The peepal tree under which Lord Buddha used to sit. Neem is a miracle tree. The Arjuna tree, favorite tree of goddess Sita. Kikkar is the small, thorny tree used for fuel. Teak is a very popular tree used for making wooden furniture. Amazing plants. Plants that eat insects are known as insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew, queen of the night, bladderwort. Some plants are very useful to us. Neem is used in soaps. Onion is used for cooking. Rose is used in perfumes. Eucalyptus plant is used as medicine. Henna is used for coloring hair.